Hi, my name is Braylon Ringwald, and I am an undergraduate student here at Midwestern State University. My mentor for this project is Dr. Emily Rutherford in the West College of Education Special Education Department. The title of this research is Making Big Moves, a transition fair for students with disabilities. I would like to welcome everyone and thank you for watching this presentation. If there are any questions, please feel free to leave comments in the section below. This research focuses on ensuring students with disabilities have the proper resources needed when transitioning from high school to post-secondary education, or college. This is through a transition fair. A typical fair consists of a campus tour, panel of college students with disabilities, breakout sessions for future students, and breakout sessions for their parents, and a time set aside for students to speak with anyone on campus they might need to. There's a strong focus for self-advocacy and self-determination that has taught students how to properly advocate for themselves in college. MSU does have a great program already, however, it focuses on students interested in various careers, tech schools, or colleges. This fair would be specific to one college or how colleges support their incoming students. The purpose of this is to examine the transition process from high school to college for students with disabilities in order to create an effective transition fair. In doing so, I have created a survey that students with disabilities participated in with consenting to. I contacted individuals I knew and individuals they may know and had Disability Support Services Office send an email out to advertise the survey. The survey consisted of questions asking students about their personal experiences in transitioning from high school to post-secondary education. There were 20 participants, and of those 20, 14 were female and 6 were male. And the age was predominantly around 19 to 25 years old, and there was a wide variety of diagnosed disabilities within the participants. 10% of the participants were freshmen, 30% were sophomores, 25% were juniors, and 35% were seniors. Of the 20 participants, only 15% had actually had training prior to their transition, and 66% had no self-advocacy preparation in high school. Of the individuals who did have some type of training, 76% said it was predominantly focused on education only, as opposed to offering work and education options. Some recommendations for future fairs from the participants included self-advocacy preparation and to make it feel like home and create a sense of belonging within the students. Also, make it easier to have connections for students and be sure to reach out prior to the event and ensure students feel comfortable to even attend the event. As this is just preliminary data, I will continue reviewing this data. The expansion of this research will lead into an actual transition fair here at Midwestern State University for incoming students, and then I will continue to gather data after the fair. Again, I would like to thank everyone for their support and for watching this presentation. If there are any questions, please feel free to comment below.